We would like to share good news today. Now we can produce SGP interlayer film in our factory in Guangdong, China. SGP interlayer is a high-performance interlayer that is used in structural laminated glass. SGP interlayer is 5 times stronger than PVB interlayer. SGP interlayer is also much more rigid than PVB interlayer. So SGP interlayer is best choice for making highest level safety laminated glass. So SGP interlayer is welcome in many applications where structural safety is highly required. We receive good feedback for our clients in many countries that our SGP interlayer is as mature as the old famous brand and very stable in quality, but our price is much better. The common thickness we offer is 0.76 mm, 1.14 mm, and 1.52 mm. And the width is available as you need. The max width we can produce is 2400 mm. Welcome to test our SGP interlayer, and you won't be disappointed. Thanks very much for your watching, and we are look forward to hearing from you, and you may expect our answers in 24 hours. Have a nice day.